My dear students, we are going to discuss about the straight line formula. The straight line formula is, so before that, I will explain one thing. The Euler's formula and also Rankine's formula we discussed in the previous lectures. Okay, that is Euler's and also Rankine's formula to calculate the crippling load. Okay, but if you observe these two theorems, whatever the formulas, these are giving only approximate values. Okay, so these two theories are giving only approximate values, okay, for the calculation of crippling load due to the following reason. The first reason is the pin joints are not practically frictionless. Whatever we are taking, the pin joints are practically those are frictionless. Okay, the next one is the end fixation is never perfectly rigid. Okay, never perfectly rigid. The third condition is the third reason. In case of Euler's formula, the effect of direct compression has been neglected. Whatever we take in the direct compression, it is neglected in the Euler's formula. The fourth reason is the load is not exactly applied, okay, as desired. So we are not applying the exactly, okay. The fifth one is the members are never perfectly straight and uniform in the section. Okay, whatever we are taking the members, those are not perfectly straight, as well as they are not uniform in the section. The sixth one is the material of the members is not homogeneous and isotropic. And also isotropic. So these members are not homogeneous and isotropic. These are the 6 reasons we are only getting the approximate values. On account of this, a empirical straight line formula are commonly used in the practical design. That formula is P equal to sigma C into A minus N into LE by K multiplied by A. So this formula is straight line formula. In practical conditions, practical design, we are using this formula only. So now I will write each and every term. So P is nothing but crippling load on the column. Okay. Crippling load on the column. Okay. Next, sigma C is nothing but compressive yield stress. A is area of cross section of the column. Next, LE by K, it is nothing but slenderness ratio. Okay, N equal to a constant whose value depends upon the material of the column. So my dear students, if you observe the straight line formula, the straight line formula is P equal to sigma C into A minus N into LE by K into A. So here we know the P is nothing but the crippling load Sigma C is nothing but compressive yield stress. A is nothing but area of cross section of the column. Okay. And also N is nothing but it is a constant whose value it is the value of this constant is depends upon the material of the column. And LE by K, we know that that is the effective length is the LE. So LE by K is nothing but slenderness ratio. Okay. So these are the straight line formula. For suppose the crippling load P value, if I plot it against the LE by K, the slenderness ratio. So we will get a we will get a straight line, and hence the equation whatever we got, it is represent a straight line formula. Okay. So even we can rewrite our formula like this. Wait for a while, I will write. So if I take A common, sigma C minus L into LE by K, it is P. So if you send the A to the denominator, P by A equal to sigma C into N into LE by K. This is the formula we got. Okay. So here the P by A we know already, that is stress corresponding to the load A. Okay. This is the straight line formula whatever we discussed still now. Why? Because we are using this straight line formula is the two formulas, Euler's formula as well as the Rankine's formula gives only approximate values of crippling load. Okay, due to some reasons are there, that is the pin joints are not practically frictionless, the end fixations is never perfectly rigid. In case of Euler's formula, the effect of direct compression has been neglected. The fourth reason is the load is not exactly applied. The fifth one is the members are never perfectly straight and uniform in the section. The sixth one is the material of the members is not homogeneous and isotropic. That's why for the practical designing purpose we are using